There are two types of custody. There's joint custody and there's sole custody. Remember that custody is different than placement. Placement is where the kids are spending their overnights. So there's joint custody and sole custody. That's the decision making. Joint custody is when both parents make the custody decisions, and sole custody is when just one of the two parents make the custody decisions about the children. So the best interests of the children are several factors that are listed out in the statute that the court considers. Some of the most important factors of these best interests are the co-parenting between the parents, the wishes of the child, the wishes of the parents, and whether there's domestic violence between the parents. There's lots of factors that the courts considers, but that's what we consider to be some of the most important factors of the best interests of the children. To change a custody order of a minor child, you must first file a motion to modify custody accompanied by an affidavit. You must show a substantial change in circumstances. However, be careful because if you do this within the first 2 years of an initial order, you have to actually show that there's been harm to the child. One of the biggest substantial changes is if a parent has moved a great distance to be near the child, but substantial change in circumstances is very tenuous. So it really is up to the specific circumstances of the case as to what a substantial change in circumstances could be. So you might want to talk to a lawyer about whether your case meets the substantial change in circumstances criteria. So you actually can't move greater than 100 miles with your child after a divorce without filing a motion. And even if it's within 100 miles, if it creates a change in or a disruption in the placement order, you might actually still need the other parent's permission or the court's permission in order to move. So be careful about that and contact your attorney to find out if you're able to move with your child after there's a custody order in place. If you have any questions about custody or placement, give us a call at Renyer Hotop Law.